Greetings to the Zulu Nation, greetings to Black South Africans. Bazalwane, we are in a war. I'm not an alarmist. We are in a war. I don't know what you take a war to be. War has got stages. All right, it doesn't just suddenly happen overnight, It has got stages. We are in a war. And you guys don't understand who our enemies actually are, who are fronting all these people that we are focusing on. And let me be quick to indicate, I'm not EFF and I'm not defending illegal immigrants. I was in marches, even during this week, against illegal immigration and mass migration. And then these, the better blacks, they post nonsenses like, why aren't we marching against whites in Cape Town, illegal white people in Cape Town, against such and such people, etc. The question is, do we know them? Okay, they are not here in Soweto. Mang Pumala, I don't see them. So you know them, Mangit, because you are even mentioning that they are there. So why haven't you organized a march against them? Why haven't you done anything about them? Because where's your EFF? You've got abilities to go into Home Affairs offices, everything, to inspect documents and everything, but you're not doing that. But you're actually undermining us and using your usual tribalism again to divide and rule. All right, and try and sideline and isolate Zulu people in this war against illegal immigration, as though other people are not for it. So, guys, we are in a war. God, please look at Vuyo Zungula's post, our great brother. Um, one of the, he's just one of a kind. Sabonga Budvuyo. Yeah, God bless you so much in Jesus' name. God bless you so much. In this video that Vuyo has posted, you're seeing a meeting by Pakistani people meeting with some locals who are clearly in the GNU. The GNU is a New World Order entity that I warned you people about, and as being our actual enemies. The GNU is a war against Black South Africans, and you guys, you need to fight. This is not a verbal and social media war. It is a war that requires guns. We're going to have to fight. We're going to have to shoot people because they are coming into our country, allowed by the DA and ANC to bring ammunition against us. This ammunition they are bringing, my brothers, goes through borders, so they are being allowed to bring all the ammunition, and this ammunition is brought to wage a war against us. Against us. Come on, Black South Africa. As Zulu people, Banbagiti, Sisempini, to try and call Black South Africans sometimes is futile. Sizwe sika Mageba Sisempini kuqondwe thina kakhulu ama-Pakistani nama-white liberal laba be-DA, nibazi nge-DA, bonke labantu basempini nathi. Cha, lama-black foreigner la, Zimbabwe asicwensayo, Nigeria and everything, basetshenziswa yi-DA. Abala esempini nabo yi-DA ne-ANC ne-EFF, yizitha zethu, yizitha zamaZulu, yizitha zama-Black South Africans. Bahlomile labantu and basilethela ababulali basemazweni aphesheya abangeniswa nezikhali ezilethelwa ukuzobulala thina. sisempini ingakho bengene ey'phaza zasemalokishini ukuze bakhontrole ukudla iflow yokudla ukuze uma sebenqala impi bavale ukudla ngoba uma nivumela ama-foreigner kube yiwo asidayisela ukudla bafethu niyasibulala. You can't have your food distributed by foreigners who are here for their ulterior motives. How can your food be controlled by foreigners? Guys, do you understand ukuthi yini ukudla? Awukwazi ukuthi i-supply chain yakho yokudla ilawulwe yi-foreigner elize lizokuzonda elize ukuzokubulala because leyo yi-strategy sempi uma ke sesidiphende kubo ekudleni sekuphelile ngathi because there's only one thing they need to do. Bakhipha lezi ibhama bazilethile bavala iy'tolo zobulawa indlala okokuqala angekwazi ukulwa impi ungenakudla ama-hypermarket aphethwe yiwona lamaSulumane because this is an Islamic invasion paralleled by white liberal NWO agendas. We have to ready ourselves for war. The war is here. These people, they are not even speaking to kings, they are not kicking like abasiboni ubona ukuthi namakhosi ethu anenkinga to love abo Ramaphosa. Mina understand ukuthi isilo sikwenze njani ngaso kodwa uNkulunkulu why ungasigcinelanga uKing Goodwill konakele makunje yabo konakele ngempela konakele isizwe siyabulawa. Sinabantu abancoma izizwe ezisizondayo bathi izinhle ngoba bephusha ama-agenda abo nabo Ramaphosa babo hayibo dabhujwa ezweni isizwe asiviliyeli kufuze ngabe kuyaviliyelwa njengamanje hayi ngey'nduku kufuneka izibhamu kufuneka amabhomu. Okay, niyabazi abantu basePakistan? Okay, niyawazi amaSulumane izinja ezingenanemeza bayabanyanya abantu abamnyama futhi kade amaSulumane aqala ukubulala abantu abamnyama. I-ANC ilokhu ivikele amaSulumane. Al-Bashir wayebulala abantu bakithi lapha eSudan wababhubhisa i-ANC ayikaze imkhuze instead yamncoma yaze yamdlalela ama-red carpet ukuthi akazongena eSouth Africa phezu kokuthi leso sikhohlakala sibulale abantu bakithi abamnyama ukhush lo esinguyena ekade ebabulala. More than 500,000 black people like us were massacred in Sudan and the ANC did not fight for them. The ANC protected Muslims, Arabs against our own people in Africa who are at the front line of being murdered and massacred by these people you are calling about my friend. We bantu benkosi kusempini la iyahloma balethwa la ukuzosibulala abazili ukuzothanda iAfrica la. They are here to take this country from us. Our enemies are the DA white liberals and they are Jewish liberals. All right, Jews are not our enemies, but Jewish liberals are exactly our enemies alongside white liberals. They work together with Muslims everywhere on earth. Whether you look at them from the United States perspective, uzobabona nalapho amaJuda awe Democratic Party yabo Hillary Clinton nabelungu bakhona basebenzisana nama-terrorist awako Somalia bagcwalisa i-USA ngama-Muslim ngoba belwa nenkolo yobuKristu. Labantu laba abama-white liberal abe-New World Order agenda, they hate Christians and they hate traditionalists. So they are hell-bent at killing us. Islam, the reason beyithanda ukuthi bane common interest for now, but later on the two will be fighting against each other because they are not exactly friends, but for now they are in partnership against common enemies. Common enemies of Islam and white liberals are Christians and black traditionalists. Baze ukuzosibulala. Anikwazi ukubuka i-Trojan horse ingeniswa ezweni lethu nibabaze kusempini la. Buka le video kaVuyo Zungula nizwisise. Nina-ke nizogxila kakhulu kumaJuda. Baletha amaJuda awu-15,000 eCape Town. Kuyingozi nalokho ngoba umbuzo ukuthi bawalethele ini ngoba phela thina asikho seyimpini zabo kwa-Israyeli. Alright? And mina-ke nginichazele abantu bakithi ngoba nidukisiwe ANC niphuphethekisile. Abantu ababhedayo laphaya eMiddle East akusiwo amaJuda la enifuna uxabana nawo. Abantu abonakele ilama Arab lawo bona labo my friend enisilethele bona. AmaJuda alwela izwe lawo. Ngisho ukhulu umncane wawazi kahle ukuthi kwa-Israyeli yizwe lamaJuda. So angazi ukuthi usukhohliswe i-ANC yakwenzani. Usukubona ukuthi izwe laka Abraham no-Isaac noJakobe sekuyizwe lamaSulumane kuqaleni lokho. So balwela izwe labo ngokwelungelo labo. Manje bazofuna neSouth Africa yethu. Nawo kumbuzi lapho ke kungena khona iDA ukuthi kusho ukuthi iDA iyazibona ukuthi iphehla impi. So balethela abantu laba ukuthi bazoba yimpi ebavikela bona ezabelungu. These are buffers to come and defend them as whites because they know that they are doing evil in South Africa against black South African natives, and they can see that we are being provoked and agitated, so they are preparing in advance to defend themselves using foreign askaris. How is that allowed? White liberals are genociding black South Africans. They hate us. They cleared us out of workplaces, and they actually always blocked us in the workplace and promoting only white males, no matter our performance and capability. This was happening after 1994. If you thought apartheid was bad, you did not see what white liberals did to us, qualified black people, after 1994. All right? The wickedness of those people is unparalleled. They are colonizers. So that they are using these stupid, foolish black foreigners as a buffer again between themselves. Because remember, we are fighting for land redress and economic transformation. So they're blocking those transformations using black foreigners, using Muslims that they are bringing in en masse and the likes. Besides other stratagem that they use, like brand manipulation, like blocking BEE, and all the wickedness that they've been doing since 1996, as planned and executed via Ramaphosa and Mbegis and all those sellouts. Guys, we are in a war. Ngicela ngiyanxusa ngiyacela emahostela emakhaya kwaZulu fuzani isizwe sabesuthu sihlomile siyizingovolo. Fuzani isizwe sabesuthu sihlomile siyizingovolo. Sacela nisihlomise, impi ifikile. Imzoqala sazi ngamuphi unyaka kodwa into eseduze ngoba kuyaphuthunwa la sekuhlelwa ukuthi kuzoletha amanye phezulu lamaPakistani esingawazi ukuthi ayelethe ubani zisuka na indoda esingayazi ihleli lapha emhlanganweni namaPakistani ithi sifuna sizoletha amaPakistani awu-15,000 more ukuze sibhekane nalaba abamaJuda abalethe amaJuda awu-15,000. Kanti lo bani lelizwe obani labantu abakhuluma ngokulethana kulelizwe labantu abasiboni nokuthi siyini bathatha izinqumo ngezwe lethu Pakistan. These foreigners of yours enibahlalise la nithe oh my friend nithenga kubona. These are the people who are like kuzoliwa impi yamaJuda nama Muslim Arab la izwe lakithi livele iyaliwa ke. So manje ngimangaza ukuthi seyizoba sidana kanje ukuthi na indoda ihlela ukuletha amaPakistani awu-15,000 kwenzeka nje kalula kanjalo. i-DA iyona ephethe imingcela ngithi so konke lokhu kwenzeka through yona because iyona futhi evumele iHamas ukuthi ilethe ababulali beHamas abawu-100 nina-ke nithi iHamas abantu abakulungile ngisho namagibhitha ama-Arab ayazi ukuthi Hamas udodi nina-ke Black South Africans because nizilima nihambe nilwa izimpini ningaziqondi. Alright, so mina-ke ngomKristu ngisindisiwe futhi ngizokuphinda sihlomiseni lethani izibhamu kunempi ekhona. Hlomani Zulu, this war is going to face us first. Lempi izobhekana nathi kuqala before ingaya kulezi ezinye izizwe ithi engakhulumi kakhulu ngazo ngoba kwamanje ziyayuzwa lapha kule GNU. Mawayibona iGNU zisuka ukuthi ilwa namaZulu. Ingayifihla ngokuthi ngathi ilwa neMK Party. Cha, ilwa namaZulu khuleka. So webantu bakwaZulu. Sacela nesihlomise ngoba ninayo imigudu futhi nisebenzisane nesizwe sabeSuthu ngoba banayo izindlela kufanele sihlome futhi kuyaphuthuma. And then ke nisenzisa ama military drill. Angithi iSouth African Defence Force ayiwafuna amaZulu. So kulungileka asizicijise ke thina sibe ama military ngokokwethu. Asenzeni ama military exercise emakhaya ema-hostela sicijele impi because impi iyeza and then bese siqinisekisa ukuthi imizila yokudla into yokuqala esiyivikela because oqala fanele sikhiphe abantu ukuze senze isiqiniseko sokuthi ukudla kwethu kulawula yithina. Asikwazi ukondliwa abezizwe. Khiphani labathakathi kule yitolo. Khiphani labathakathi kulama hyperstore ngoba labantu laba basempini nathi. Ivideo kaVuyo Zungula ekukhombisa konke selokhu ngiqaphelisa nakho. Asikhuluma izinto akusinzondo hayi sababongela abefundisi bothando yabona ke manje kubalekile ukuthi sizivikele. Angithi yazibona sise-South Africa ezweni lethu asikho sezweni labanye abantu. Angithi kwaku-wrong makwenziwa i-colonialism sayizilwela manje sekufanele samukele i-colonialism entsha le ewest kunale yasekuqaleni le phela yamanje yemingcele evuliwe. It's worse colonialism than the colonialism that we suffered before 1948 or up to 1948.